Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Notes and choosing or creating a folder. This organizes later. Tap the plus to create a new note, then type a clear title so you can find it. Use the camera icon to add photos or scan documents immediately. This saves time versus attaching later. Once done, tap the body and begin typing your content. Make sure to use the formatting bar for headings or checklists so your note is structured and searchable later. Now you enrich the note. Tap the camera or sketch icon to insert scans, photos, or a freehand drawing. These are indexed for search. Use the formatting menu to create headings, bold key lines, and add checkboxes for tasks so the note doubles as an action list. Once the content is right, swipe left to pin urgent notes and use the folder button to move it into a specific folder. This keeps your library tidy and faster to navigate. Finish by sharing or syncing. Tap the share icon to send a copy, invite collaborators, or export as PDF for other apps. Use the search bar. Notes searches typed text, scans, and attachments, so tag or add unique phrases to locate notes quickly. If notes don't appear on other devices, make sure iCloud for Notes is enabled and that you have a stable network. If problems persist, toggle iCloud off and on for Notes and restart your phone to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.